Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Maitri Kothari, one of the senior program managers with Pride Circle, and I'm here to talk to you about the first ever LGBT plus focused hackathon in India. So that's Pride Hackathon 2020. You may have had a chance to tune into our live session last week. If you haven't, please do so because you will then get an opportunity to get details about it. But in brief, this is the first ever LGBT plus hackathon that's in India that's focused on the community. And no, you do not need to have a technical background to participate. It's open for folks ranging from non-technical backgrounds as well as for those who are interested, in solving some of the social good causes that we have. So the challenges will go live on November 1, so please make sure to check them out because we have 3 separate tracks. That's your technical, non-technical and social good. So feel free to register for any problem statement that interests you. And a participant can, register for a maximum of 3 problem statements. So take your pick wisely. We have exciting opportunities for the winners. So it is an exclusive opportunity for you to spotlight your resume with our participating companies. So our title sponsors for this event are Atlassian, Macquarie and Society Generale, and our associate sponsors are Intel, Intuit and VMware. We also have SAP and Cummins on board as a rewards partner with many more coming online. So each winner, you have exciting, prizes up for grabs with also an opportunity to win internships and job interviews with these companies. So make sure you check it out. Our pre-registration has already started. So if you haven't registered already, please ensure that you click on the link that'll be in the comments section shortly. You can click on it and register. And apart from that, we have also mentoring sessions. So there will be mentors. If you seek advice, if you would want some guidance, you can get in touch with us at contact@thepridecircle.com, and there'll be industry experts from these companies who can actually come in and help you guide and kind of direct you in your solution phase as well. So yeah, that's in a very brief snapshot about what the hackathon looks like. And if you want some more details, there'll be a link again which you can go and refer to. We did a detailed session on the hackathon last week. And from there, this session is mainly focused on Q&A. So if you have any particular questions, please type them in the comments and I will make sure to answer them live. And we've also received some. So between the last week and today, we've received some questions on our DMs and inbox. So I'm just going to go ahead and answer those first. So the first one is that do I get additional points for submitting my solutions the earliest or the fastest? So no, unfortunately, there is no additional points up for grabs. You just need to ensure that you submit all your solutions by November 30th. That's all you need to take care of. Okay, I see a question which says that what kind of projects and tasks can I expect? Any sneak peek? So there is no sneak peek. I can give you examples that's said in the last session, but they are going to revolve around 3 tracks. So that's what I said: the technology track or the technical track, the non-technical, which can be focused on HR, finance, support functions, admin role related stuff, and the other would be social good. So stay tuned. The challenges unveil on November 1st, and there's going to be a range of challenges, so I'm sure you'll find something that interests you. The other is that the individual works from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekdays. So will I still be able to participate in the hackathon? Absolutely, because the timing for this hackathon is completely up to you. You have an entire month, like the whole month of November, to kind of formulate your solutions. So it's completely up to you when you want to attempt that, what time of the day or what time of the week suits you. So you have flexibility there. The other is there something in it for graphic designers? Yes, of course. We're looking for innovative solutions, as creative as you can be. So while certain challenges may have certain parameters or eligibility criteria, I'm sure there will be many others where you can put your creative hat into use. So it's completely up to you how you choose to attempt or see a problem, because we're just sourcing ideas, and anything that's creative or out of the box is more than welcome. That's great. And what is the last date to register? So we're keeping registrations open through the month of November, that is the third week of November. So you have till 23rd of November to register and attempt, because since you need to submit all your solutions by November 30th, so we're keeping at least that last 1 week to kind of go ahead and just focus on your solutions. So the registrations close on 23rd November. But they've already started, so please feel free to go ahead and register already if you haven't. And the microsite will go live soon too, so that's where you can actually choose your team members as well. So while the hackathon is an individual participation, you can also participate in teams of 2 or 3. So if you have your friends from the community already identified who you want to form a team with, you can email it to us, your team name and the member names, at contact@thepridecircle.com. And if you are still looking for your team members, in case you do not want to participate individually, when you register on the website that will go live next week, you have the option to set across an invite to the other participants. So that's something you can explore as well. Is it necessary for all members of the group to register? So yes, it is necessary for all members of the group to register. So like I said earlier, in case you want to work in a team but you do not have the other team members identified, everyone has to create a personal profile that's going to be individual, and then you can send across requests in the platform for inviting them to be part of your team. And even if you have a team formed already, you can just write to us at contact@thepridecircle.com. So the other is about the age limit. So you need to be at least 18 years of age as of November 1st, 2020 to be eligible to participate in this hackathon. And this is focused for folks living in India, or who have you're planning to return to India in a short span of time, like probably by the end of the year or next year, because we are looking at job opportunities and internships as an outcome of this, and that is going to be restricted to folks who are in India. So if you have your friends or team members who are outside of India, they can participate, given that the long-term plan, or the short-term plan I should say, is to return to India by the end of this year, or while the hackathon is still on. Do you all have any other questions? Please feel free to write in the comments section. The other questions that we received, we'll answer. So yes, how can I contact for any doubts? Will I be added in a group or something, or can I just email? That's a great question. You can just email your queries to us at contact@thepridecircle.com. So there is no group that we formed currently, but any question or any query that you have, you can just write to us at contact@thepridecircle.com. Or if you're following our Instagram page also, you can DM us there. So whatever suits best. If you all are excited about those who are viewing right now, could you just show some reaction so that I get a sense of how excited we are for this hackathon to go live? Thank you, and thank you for the reaction as well. Geeta. We're super excited too because this is the first of its kind, and there's so much untapped potential. So it's a great opportunity to showcase your skills and also put on your creative hat. And this is, I guess, one of the few hackathons that just not focused on technical skills but also your other aspects. So it's completely up to you on how you want to attempt solutioning the challenges that the companies have put forward. And also, like I said, it's an exclusive opportunity for you to be able to interact with folks from these participating companies as well. So make sure that you leverage this platform to the best possible manner. And yes, I see that someone says that AJ Ajita, that I really don't know how this is going to go, but really want to give it a try. Yes, absolutely. I mean, there's nothing you lose by giving it an attempt, and you have the opportunity to sign up for 3 problem statements. So you could really explore different tracks where you're from. So I am currently based in Calcutta, but Pride Circle is spread over 10 major cities in India. And earlier this year, we also had a campaign which was global. So for those of you who may have known, participated, or heard about the 21 Days Ally Challenge, that was on a global platform. But we mainly operate, pan-India. Thank you for the best wishes. And if you haven't already, you can go back. We'll be posting a link to the detailed talk through about the hackathon that we did last week also. So you can go through it in detail, and if you still have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help. So there's also a question on if the participants can choose from one track only. No, it's up to you, completely up to you, whether you want to attempt 1 problem statement or 2 or 3. It's a maximum of 3, but you can do any permutation or combination. They can all be 3B technical, all 3B non-technical, 1 technical, 1 non-technical. So that's completely up to you to sign up for the problem statement that interests you. We're also going to be having a launch webinar where we're going to be having the industry experts coming in and talking through. So that's going to be on November 2nd, and there's also a mid webinar that's going to be organized as a checkpoint. That's on 18th of November. So all of these are also going to be helpful while you're participating in the hackathon. So to give you an idea of if we are in the right direction or not. And like I mentioned earlier, also you have the opportunity to seek advice or mentorship from the individuals from the participating companies. So there are going to be experts that are going to be assigned that can guide you if you'd like. Looking to see if there are more questions coming in. I guess not. Still gonna stay online for a few more minutes to see if those that are joining in right now have any questions that I can help answer, or if you're just typing it out, and I'll wait for it. I don't see more questions coming in, but if you have something else, like, take a look at our page, all the other initiatives that we're running, see that what is, of interest to you. Okay, I think there's one which has come in which says, sorry, yeah. So there's one which says that what are the skills required to participate in the hackathon. So like I mentioned, there's a range of skills, so you need not have just a technical background to be eligible to participate in the hackathon. It can be from across your finance skills, your HR skills, your it could be anything across your spectrum, your communication skills, anything and everything works. So what you just need to do is put on a creative thinking hat and attempt solutioning. So while the problem statements are going to be divided across the 3 tracks, there are some which may have criteria to use a certain programming language, but not all of them are going to be technical in nature. So it's going to be completely up to you on how you want to, attempt solutioning those. This one which says what are the prizes. Okay, so there are prizes up to INR 10,000 for each winner up for grabs, and they are going to be unveiled closer to the date because there's no excitement in revealing everything at the first go, but they're going to be super exciting, so stay tuned for that. Okay, I think we do not have more questions at the moment. We will be going live again next week, just before the hackathon kicks off, to answer any queries that you may have on a live platform. But in the meanwhile, again, if there's something that you need to know, or you have any queries that you want us to resolve, please write to us at contact@thepridecircle.com, and you can also DM us on our Instagram page or Facebook page, LinkedIn, wherever, and make sure you keep following us on the different platforms to stay updated and tuned to all our events that are coming up, and also more updates about the hackathon. Just wait for a few more seconds to see if there are any last minute comments, and then go offline. Okay, I don't think we have more comments coming in, but thank you so much. Thank you for dialing in and putting across your questions to us in this session. We look forward to have you all participate in the hackathon and make this an exciting initiative for all of us. So thank you, and stay tuned for the updates, and please go register if you haven't already. The links are in the comments section. Thanks everyone, and have a great weekend and week ahead. Bye bye.